So we got our chores all done, and it's a beautiful day, so we're going out kayaking on the lake. For Christmas, Kim gave me a two-person inflatable kayak. It's a Driftsun kayak, and I haven't really had a whole lot of chance to use it yet, so we thought today would be a perfect opportunity. We're heading to the lake, and we're going kayaking. Let me first show you what we got here. This is the Driftsun Inflatable Kayak. It's two-person, and it's 11 feet long. Comes with everything that's needed. Comes with the carrying bag, the paddles, this really nice pump, and this little fin. I call it the shark fin. It's a stabilizer. There's the picture of the kayak, and it has these really nice seats. They're not inflatable seats. They are really sturdy and hold you really nicely. So we're looking forward to taking this out and having some fun on the water. There it is, Driftsun. Now, Kim bought this off of Amazon, and we're going to include links on our description below. For Amazon, you can buy right through us. It doesn't cost you anything more. It helps us out. We get a little bit of a commission on that. They come in the 2-seat model. Kim got the 11-foot long because I'm tall. They also come in single-person kayaks, in case that's what you're looking for. So we'll have links for those as well. All right, we're off to our trailer. Looking in here for the paddles and the pump. We've got the life jackets and the kayak already in the truck. So let's load it up. And now we're getting ready to head over to Hiram Reservoir and do some kayaking. We have a kayak.
Okay, so it's going to be $3 for the vehicle. You have senior, 62 or older, then it's 10.
Okay, got that. There we go, 10 bucks. Thanks to the senior pass. Would have been 20 otherwise.
Alright, type that up to your dash and you should be all set for today.
And where do we go?
So if you just keep going down that road, you can go past that truck and that trailer.
Alright, here we are at Hiram State Park, I guess it's called. It's got a reservoir, and we're going to get our kayak out, assemble it, show it to you, and go out on the water.
It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's about 90 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
And it's 5 o'clock in the evening, so we waited a little bit later, and here we go.
Yep, fun times. Okay, here is all our equipment. We have the kayak and the hand pump and the oars or paddles. Let's get this thing put together. So Kim just asked me where the seats to the kayak are. I thought well, she thought they were in the bag, but they don't fit in the bag. So they are in the trailer. And now I'm gonna go back to the trailer and get the seats. One more side to go. Even though the seats were a pain and we forgot them, they're really nice. Padded seat bottom and back, and then they strap in. So.
And they're adjustable.
Safety first.
Here we go.
Alrighty. Hop in. Go ahead and get your oar, your paddle. Okay, we are having fun. Yeah, now that I'm stopped being frustrated. It is a pretty day. About 95 degrees out. Boats everywhere on the water. Kim's rowing us in circles.
Yep, get busy.
A fish just jumped next to us trying to get in our kayak. So this kayak is extremely stable. I'm loving it. These pontoons, you pump them up to 2 psi. That doesn't sound like much, but that's solid. And the floor inflates as well. Gives you a cushion feeling. Then the seats are really comfortable. You can see I didn't put my seat back as far as I can, but won't have too much more leg room, but that's pretty good. And then Kim is up towards the front. She's got shorter legs, but she puts her legs underneath the front there.
And extend them all the way out. They're comfy.
Yeah, it's just a great kayak. I think he's wave surfing. Yeah. Wake surfing, I guess it's called, and down he goes. This kayak is really stable. I have no concern of turning, capsizing, or it's just, I mean, you can really rock it. It's stable. Here come the waves. And another wake surfer off in the distance. Seems like the boat would go faster, but maybe you generate bigger wake this way. I don't know. I don't know much about it. I don't know anything about it. So let's head over towards that little beach ahead. It's really an easy kayak to paddle and maneuver. I can highly recommend this kayak. It is great. I love it. Chillaxin. Looks like I got a water bubble on my lens. Let me wipe that off. There we go. So yeah, this has been a good investment on our part. It was my Christmas present from Kim. So good investment on Kim's part. Good job. Thumbs up. Okay. So yeah, we're having fun. We're kayaking. It's easy to assemble, easy to inflate. Comfortable to ride in. Had a fun kayaking session. It was $20 to get into the state park, half price for us for the senior discount.
It was so much fun.
It was. It was a lot of fun. It was worth the 10 bucks.
So the funny thing is we have lived here for how long now?
Oh, you're not going to tell them this,
Yes,
are
I
you?
am. How long?
Oh, over 25 years.
And this is our very first time at this state park.
Yeah, that's pretty sad.
And it's maybe 20 minutes away from our home. That's ridiculous.
Yep.
So here's...
Well, we never had a kayak.
We never... But there's so many fun things here. There's picnic, there's beach, there's campgrounds. It's ridiculous that we've never, ever, ever experienced this before.
Yeah. We will be back.
We will be back, but this is a reminder to you to explore the things in your own backyard.
Oh yeah, definitely. We missed out on this gem for
a long
2.5 decades.
Too long, for too long.
Yeah. So that's all for us for tonight. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe.
Like us.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up on this video if you thought it was fun. And if you're interested in the kayak that we used, check out our links below. And we'll have a link to our Amazon page where you can buy one for the same price we did basically, and we'll get a little bit of a commission off of that. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help us. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you later.
Bye-bye.